Happy Sunday, ladybugs. It is me, your girl, Stacy. Those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Stacy, and I like to do all things home decor, cleaning, DIYs, a little vlogging. But I'm thankful that you guys dropped by to watch this video. And those of you who are already ladybugs, thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. And the ones who have not yet subscribed, I would love to have you on this channel joining us, the ladybugs. It is always a pleasure. But as you can tell by the title, this is a Get It All Done title. It is Saturday. Well, when you watch it, it may not be Saturday, but today is Saturday for me. And I'm not sure what happened, but I lost a lot of content, like my hair content. I had to color my hair because the roots were black. And also, I really need to wait 24 hours and color it again because, as you can see, it's kind of like on the yellowish side, and I'm going for the platinum white, or just the platinum rather. But I have to wait 24 hours before I color it again. And also, I went and got my nails done. I videoed that, and I don't know what happened to the content, but never here nor there. I was able to get you some content out, and this is me pretty much trying to clean up. It's not really a deep clean, but I am just doing the floors. I'm using my steam mop here. This mop is everything, y'all. I had seen, I don't know if you guys go over to, I hope I'm saying her name right, Cleosha J. I like watching her cleaning videos, and she had used a steam mop. This is not the same exact one as hers, but it is a steam mop, and it really sanitizes the floors. Here, these are curtains that I purchased from Amazon, and they're really supposed to be for my back patio. If any of you have not checked out my back patio makeover, I will be putting up a iCard in a corner somewhere where you could watch that video if you haven't seen it. But yeah, these curtains are supposed to be for that. And because the weather is getting ready to change, I really didn't want these. I wanted the curtains, but the color just was not suitable. I didn't want this color. I thought I was going to want it, but I don't. So I decided to put it in the living room. Just for a change, fall is here, so the white curtains need to come down. They're not really white, they're like an off-white. So I decided to put these curtains up in the living room, which I think was a pretty good idea. The only thing about these curtains, you'll see in a few, that they don't touch the floor. So they look like high waters a little bit. Of course, I could probably bring the rod down some, but I'm fine with it. It's not that bad. But yeah, so this is the curtains up. So if you look, you can see that the curtains is a little short, but that's fine. And I'm adding a little pop of fall color. I don't really do much of fall, and this is stuff from last year, so I just said I'll just put it back out this year. I think it's nice, but sometimes, if it's up too long, I'll get tired of it. So, but I'm just using all the fall stuff, decor that I had from last year. I may add something in, I may take something out, who knows, whichever way the wind blows with me. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And hope you guys are enjoying this content. I will be trying to continue to vlog probably like Monday through Friday at work. This right here, I'm just showing you guys this lemon because right now it smells so good in here. So here's your final reveal. Enjoy.